Open new Canva project, click on the background and change the color to any color you want and drop your image. I'm going to use this one. Go to apps and type image blender. Use this app. Choose fade, linear, and place these points like this in the top of the image and decrease the strength to 0 and click save. Remove the background, crop it from here and increase the size. Place it like this. And go to elements and type light graphics. Scroll down, choose this one, click on this one. Let's increase a little bit the size. Go to layer and send backward. And let's use the same image again. Click on this image. Remove the background. Adjust the size. And here's the final results.